Hello, everyone. Economic Ninja. Last night, we got a very important update that could shape the future of stablecoins in the United States. Speaking at the American Bankers Association Washington Summit, FDIC leadership confirmed that payment stablecoins created under the 2025 Genius Act will not qualify for FDIC pass-through insurance. In simple terms, that means if a bank holding stablecoin reserves were to fail, the holders of those stablecoins would not be protected by FDIC insurance the way traditional bank deposits are. Officials say that the reason for this is clarity. Regulators want people to understand exactly what they are holding before a crisis happens. They pointed out that the Genius Act itself explicitly prevents FDIC insurance from covering these stablecoins, and in many cases, systems behind them don't keep detailed records of individual holders the way the banks do with deposit accounts. But not everyone in the industry agrees with this concern. Many stablecoin developers argue that insurance isn't necessary because the coins are already backed one-to-one with reserves such as cash or short-term treasuries. Their argument is actually quite simple. If every token is backed by a dollar's worth of assets, the system is already stable without government insurance. But still, this debate touches on a much bigger issue. Banks are increasingly worried about competition from stablecoins, especially those that offer higher yields or faster payments than they do. So regulators are trying to walk a very careful line. They want innovation in digital payments, but they also want to make sure consumers clearly understand the risks. And that as the Genius Act moves forward, the question becomes this: will stablecoins evolve to look more like banks, or will they remain a completely separate financial system? You see, either way, this decision from the FDIC shows that regulators are drawing a firm line between bank deposits and digital dollars. I'm going to keep you updated as things go on. If you want to learn how to make a yield or build your own style bond portfolio with crypto, I've got a link down below for a big sale on the Crypto Staking Pro course. Teaches you everything you need to know about building a position, staking properly and securely cryptocurrencies during down times. All right, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this channel. The Economic Ninja is out.